us again. We're back. Whoa! Say hi.
I got an Encanto shirt.
She got an Encanto shirt. It's really
It's
cool.
actually a sweater.
Sweater. Well, we're just, we're in the garage. It's a little chilly out. So we got our sweaters on. It's -3 out. Celsius. I don't know what Fahrenheit in US is. Or,
It's coming here right here.
yeah. She likes to use scissors. Right? Yeah. Yeah.
Look at that squiggly thing.
Yeah. Cool. Squiggly thing. It's a spring. So anyway, YouTube, we're just putzing around. Gotta talk to the camera because we're gonna upload this and we'll be famous. Anyway, this is my little helper. We're gonna be making stuff, right? Right? Are we making stuff? We're gonna make stuff.
I got an Encanto shirt.
Yeah.
This is real from Encanto here. Watch the movie Encanto.
Are we reviewing Encanto or you want to do some tool reviews? Want to look at tools? Grab a tool. Tell us what it is. What's this? What is this? You know what that is?
A hammer.
A hammer? What kind of hammer? Say it's a body hammer.
Body hammer.
It's a body hammer. And look, there's a square part and a round part. See? Cool, huh? So, we can't stay in here too long because someone's got school tomorrow. Right?
Me, my sister
You got school.
Kaya.
You and your sister. Yeah, there's snow on the ground. It's freezing again. It's what, year 2 in the garage in the winter. Cool. There's no heat in here. There's never been heat in here. I did have a heater. I don't know what I did with it, but yeah. So yeah, that's what it is. Are you just gonna make faces on camera? Yeah, that's all. We got 2 minutes of you just saying nothing.
Yeah.
You show them what I made? Look, see. There's a video coming up with making these. I have an old DeWalt thing. So it's an old tape measure. I cut it up. So, but you can, before you throw it, if the numbers are still good, you can use them for stuff. See? Watch, you can go like this. See? Boing, 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 boing. So anyway, want me to turn off my inner video? No, we're just gonna record ourselves here for like an hour straight. What? We are making a video right now.
Oh.
Look, we can use this in case I break my finger. I can make a splint out of it. Tie it on there. Probably cut my finger open. Let's just. This is the end of the tape measure. See, this is the part that goes in the. That's the end of the tape measure. It goes in there. That's it. Uh-oh. Ow. 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 We can make eyeglasses out of it. It's like, what is it? Star Trek? Star Trek glasses? Maybe not. We could just ding, 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 ding. Okay. Someone's gonna lose an eye here. Someone's gonna lose an eye. Yeah, we're just putzing around. Crazy video. We should probably turn it off now because I don't think we want to watch. I don't think my viewers want to watch a video of us putzing around for 5 minutes straight doing nothing. Right? What grade are you in?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I think I'm in nursery.
She's in nursery. Do you know a lot about tools? No? Do you want to learn? Yeah. What's your favorite tool?
A bike.
A bike. Oh yeah, bike's a tool. Getting around. What kind of hand tool? You like hammers? You like scissors? I know you like scissors. Do you like wrenches? You like vice? Tell them you like vice grips. Vice grips are the best. Don't put that down. You're gonna cut yourself on it. You like those tools over there? See, that's a blower. Oh, you like that one? It goes there. What about a bench vise over there? You want a bench vise?
What's a bench vise?
It's the thing you can crush your fingers in. You turn the handle and you can squish your fingers.
Does it break your finger off?
Yeah, you can chop. Oh well, we have a shear over there. We can chop your finger off with. We chop it off? No. Okay. We won't chop her finger off. It's probably a bad idea anyway.
I can tear my finger out with my teeth.
Oh no, I don't think I'll do that.
Tear
Anyway,
my finger out now.
let's turn off the video and say goodbye to them. Say bye. Yeah, we're turning it off. We're not recording all night long. We'll turn it off. We can make another one. Okay, you push the red button. Okay.